Hey all, hi everyone. Welcome to day 4 of the 100 days of DevOps challenge that we are going ahead with. So today, yesterday we have what we have done is we have created a Linux virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox, and in that it is Ubuntu server. It was a Ubuntu server, and we have understood some of the commands yesterday and a basic of a little bit of the virtualization. So today we'll use the same machine and run understand some more commands. So yesterday we have seen this cheat sheet came up with the server. Okay, we have downloaded that, and what we'll do here is we'll check each and every we'll try on each and every command in this particular file. Okay, in this particular file, and we'll try out and then understand it. It might take long, so I might not complete it today, but we'll carry it on tomorrow itself, on day 5. Okay, so let's get started. So I already have started my virtual machine, Linux virtual machine. I already have started. Here is the Linux virtual machine, and connected it to my terminal. Okay, so here we are, or I'll just redo it. So here, this is the IP of my machine, user and IP of my machine, and connected. Okay, password, and I am in this virtual machine. So clear is the command for clearing the terminal. So let's go to our cheat sheet, and here we start. So first of all, let's just start with file management. Like, what does ls command do? ls list all the files. Okay, you can check it in check the man page of ls command. Okay, man page means the manual, and it will show all file, almost all. Do not list implied dot and okay. So it it does not list the current directory and parent directory. Yesterday we have known that dot is for current directory and double dot is for parent directory. Who is the author of the file? Then escape, C style escape of nonographic character, block size. There are multiple ways. There are different kind of file like binary file and others. So you can use different methods to then there is this difference. If there are two files and you need to check the difference between them, so you can use this particular parameter. Okay, so there are multiple ways to do that, but a few of them can be used in daily purpose. So let's just check. So ls hyphen capital A, let's see, hyphen capital A. So, and ls hyphen a, it not much difference. It just shows these two directories, current directory and parent directory. Rest everything is the same. Okay, so this is how ls is working. Now ls is there, then this is touch. What it will do? Touch file mostly is used for creating a empty file. Okay, touch my file. I'll just create touch my file. ls my file is shown up. Okay, so my file is, and then there is cat command is for reading the content of file. So uh, cat my file, since my file is currently empty, and then there is this ls hyphen a, ls hyphen l. Okay, so l, what it will do, small l, it will uh, tell about the file. So what is the size of the file, who is the owner, who can make changes, who has created, who is the owner, what access do we have, So first is user. User means hurry. Group means will understand that user group UGO, user group others. Okay. So what permissions do these people have when when it has been created or last modified? So this is the time. If there is one more command called date. Okay, so date shows current time, which is UTC. UTC means it has all change has already been done. So I think, what is my IST time? Date. This is my local terminal. Oh, 12:30 a.m. November 9, 12:36, and here is 7:06, so around 6:30, 6.5 hours of difference in UTC and current time. So that's how it is. The date is one command, and date can also be used in multiple calendar. I think cal command is for calendar. Yeah, calendar. Here is my calendar. So it shows this date, this this very date it shows. Okay, calendar command. There are multiple different commands for different uses. In fact, we can use these commands to create a interactive TUI for ourselves. So cat command we have understood. Now if I have to if I have to add some content in my file, so what I could do, first of all clear this. I could do cat greater than my file. So this file is created by Hari. Okay, so this I have done, and control D, yeah, control D. So I have added something, then let's, oh no, control D I have pressed multiple times. Okay, so I think, let's just see, cat my file, yeah, my data is there. Since I haven't pressed any enter, so there is no new line. So what I'll do here is I'll redo this change. Okay, if I have to add a new line in this, how can I do that? So this is suppose I'll try to create another line. This is a new file created by Hari. Okay, enter, and then control D, cat file. So our older data is gone. Why is it gone? This older data is gone. Why is it gone? That's because single greater than. Okay, so if I have to append something, I have to use double greater than, one more greater than. So this is welcome welcome to 100 days of DevOps. Oh. Okay, so there are two lines now showing up. This is the file, but what if I have to make this capital and add a hash over here? I can't do that with cat. I have to redo this whole thing. Okay, redo this whole thing, or I can use a different tool which is called VI or Vim. There are multiple tools in Ubuntu. In Ubuntu there is very interesting here. So VI we have VI editor, Vim editor. I think Vim might not be in. Oh, Vim is also installed. So that's how Vim, and then nano. So let's just add first of all vi editor, how it looks like. So this is the vi editor, and here to right now if I press anything it won't take an input, but once I press insert, there is insert button. Okay, so insert button, and it takes my input. I have added this one. Okay, and today is day 4. Yes, day 4. Try out different editors in here. Vi is one, then uh, Vim is the upgraded version of Vi. There are multiple modifications that we can do in Vim, and then there is Nano editor. Nano editor is very user friendly, and it is most like it is similar to the text editor in Windows. Okay, so today is day 4. Edited by vi. Okay, let's just, so here you have to if you have to exit you have to press q, but if you have to write the data you have to press w, or w means to save the data, w means write. Okay, q, quit. If I directly quit, it will say okay, this data uh, no write since the last change. We have made the change but we haven't saved it, so no write has been created. Okay, and if you just go ssh hyphen, okay, ssh re, I'll show you one more thing here. 192.14 ls-a, there is one file would have been created, my file, and this is my file swap. So what is this sw file? So the data, the unsaved data, this line, this is unsaved data, this particular change, this change, so everything is in swap file. If I just, so here today is day 4. Yeah, have you seen, you have seen this, we have hashtag upad, then this is today's day 4 edited by we, welcome to this line, and this is file created by Hari. So these are the changes which have been recorded in this swap file. Okay, so once I save this swap file would be deleted. So let's just go w q enter. Okay, ls-a, swap file is gone. So this is that's how vi editor, any editor, Linux manages the data in here. And now let's go to Vim editor. Okay, Vim, my file, Linux is the best, obviously it is the best, edited by Vim. But what what shall happen if I don't save it? Okay, if just quit, exit, and then cat my file, no data is there. Okay, in Vim, let's go insert. Vim is also similar, Vim is the advanced version of vi editor. So okay, Vim data is also, then there is nano my file. Here you don't have to press insert or anything. Okay, just type is Ubuntu is so user friendly. edited by nano. Then how would you save data in nano? So here for exit, this is for control X, okay, control X, control R to read the file, control replace, find and replace, okay. Where is, if you have to, if it is a long file, you can search where is, we'll use this. And then let's jump, okay. So control X, save the modified, yes, save the file, file name, it says what file name do you want to give, this one. So it will create, it won't create a new file, it will save in the same one, okay. So now cat, so this is how, these are the three editors in Linux, and get used to it. You'll be needing it a lot, okay, when working in system administration and all that. So these are the these are few few files, few file editors in Linux, okay. Let's jump to where we have nano, cat, we have understood, okay. So what, let's just create another file, cat file, okay. First of all, let's just see, only one file is there, okay, ls-a, no file with file1, okay. So what we'll do, cat file1, and here this is file1 created by Hari using cat. Enter, control D, and data. Let's just see if there is another file. Yeah, there is another file, this file1 is also there. So what will cat do is, cat will check if any file is available or not. If not, it will create and override the file. If you use this single greater than to override, double greater than to append, but it will not edit it, okay. So cat is not an editor. For simple one line, two line of, only one line or one word of appending and other things, cat is very good. But vi, just start using vi, vim, they are the best editor. Or nano is nano, it's like you are not even using Linux, just a dark format of text editor, okay. So just start using these editors, and they'll be handy for you in a long run, okay. Then there are ls, we have seen, touch we have seen, okay. Now just go to mkdir. What it will do, so mkdir is make directory, mkdir 100 days of DevOps. So ls, here new file, new directory is in the blue, new directory is created, okay. Then ls 100 days of DevOps, no file in this. But if I have to create a folder, mkdir -p for parent, so I have to give path for parent directory. Parent directory would be 100 days of DevOps. Then there is day 4, ls 100 days of DevOps, there is nothing in day 4, okay. So this is how you will create a mkdir file. So what we'll be doing here is, let's just see, cp means copy, okay. Copy my file to day 4, 100 days of DevOps, day 4, okay. So let's just see, ls, yeah, my file is there, my file is here also at current location. So there is one more one more command, pwd shows where you are currently, in which directory you are right now. So pwd is a very handy command. So this is how you can use it. Then moving forward to another command, like if I have to, so this is copy. Okay, copy paste. Cp means copy paste. And if I have to cut paste, so there is mv, move a file, move a file, which is file 1. Let's move the file. Right now file 1 is here. Okay, in home hurry, and then move file 1 to 100 days of DevOps. Okay, ls file 1 has been changed. Okay, then 100 days of DevOps. Oh, sorry. Yeah, ls 100 days of DevOps. Yeah, file 1 is there. Okay, what if I have to rename this file 1? Okay, if I have to rename this file 1, how could I do that? So I'll just do mv 100 days of 1. I'll use mv command. Okay, so it will move and it will cut and paste the file, but in new name. Okay, so this is how you can rename a file. My file dot txt. Okay, I have renamed it ls 100 days of DevOps. Oh, okay, I think it has been, yeah, it came here. Okay, I haven't given the path. My file to 100 days of DevOps and ls 100 days of DevOps. Then mv 100 days of DevOps. My file. Okay, there would be an issue. So I have renamed file 1 with mv, this file 100 days of DevOps, day 4, and file 1.txt. So this file is ls 100 days of DevOps, day 4. Here you can file 1.txt. Okay, what if I have to, my file has also been changed. My file. So these are some of the commands. And what if I have to remove this, my file.txt? It is double. Okay, it cat 100 days of DevOps, day 4, star means to all the files, read all the files. So it will read, this is a new file created by Hari, and here. Okay, this is how it will look like. So you can check it out. I think this file, that file 1 is lost somewhere, not due to that copy paste and everything. But why do we need two files of same content? Okay, so what we'll do, rm is one command. Rm means remove a file. 100 days of DevOps, day 4. Which file shall we remove? Let's just remove file 1. Okay, file 1 is let's just check. Okay, file 1 is removed. So this is how you'll you can manipulate, you can manage the files. Okay, mkdir we have seen. Yeah, there is this cd command, change directory. If we have 200 days, if we have to go inside 100 days of DevOps, if we have to go inside day 4. Okay, this is how you can, if you have to go back to home directory, the, just press just enter cd and press enter, so you will directly go to go to home directory. So this is how you check. Now there is one thing, if you have noticed, let's just try to, there are two users. Okay, there are two users in Linux currently. Which two? One is Hari. Okay, one is Hari, uh, or you can just check it over here. Users, only one user, it's showing Hari. Okay, sudo Hari, even only one user. Only why is it showing one user? Because another user is root. Root means the admin user, the super user. Okay, let's try to SSH to this root account. Password, we don't have any password, so how would we reset the password? Permission denied, permission denied, permission denied. Okay, so how would we how can we add to, how can we directly SSH to root? So there is one command which is called passwd. Okay, passwd. Even I'm changing password for Hari. Okay, current password I have to enter, new password I have to enter. Oh, password unchanged because I have entered the same password. So I'm not I don't want to change the okay, let's just change it like something 1234 1234, you longer password. Okay, let's just enter anything, something complex. Yeah, password change. If I have to rechange change it to my previous password, I can do that. Passwd is one of the command that we can use to change password. Oh, that's how it is. I can't change my password back. No problem. That's great. I accidentally have set up a strong password for my VM. So let's go to sudo -i. Directly the sudo means super user do -i. It will directly take you to the home of root user. It will change you to root user and take you to the home. Okay, so sudo command do that. Sudo su, which is sudo switch user, so it will switch to the admin user. Okay, sudo su, in fact I'll show you that as well. So right now we are in home Hari, and let's just sudo su, so it won't change the directory. Okay, it won't change the directory, but if I run sudo -i, it will automatically take me to the parent directory. Now let's just change passwd. We'll dig deeper in that passwd and root. Password has been updated successfully. Let's just try to SSH directly the root account. Root. I don't know if that setting is enabled. First of all, let me root. Okay, root account has the admin power, so it can change like any user's password. Okay, yeah, my password has been reset, and let's see. Pa I'm entering the right password. Okay. Permission denied. Public key or password. Public key, password. Okay. Permission denied. So why is it so? Yesterday we have learned that there are config files in etc. Okay. So let's just see ls etc. Not this, etc. Yeah. So there are tons of configuration file for each and every tool which is running right now in Linux, or which can be used any command, any tool, anything. Okay. So let's just go ls/etc/ssh. Okay. So these are the files which are sshd config, sshd config d. This is directory for ssh server, and this is for ssh client. I hope you know ssh server and client. Let's brief about that. So what is server and client? Just imagine you are in a restaurant. Okay, you go to a restaurant and you are the client there, customer, the client, and there is this the waiter or anyone who serves you food. Okay, that is server. Similarly, in IT sector there are two entities. One is the server, to which you make the request. Okay, this is the server, and this is the client. Okay, this is the client. So the client, what will client do? Client will make a request. Okay, client has made a request. Oh, what is that happening? Yeah, now it is better. Oops. Okay, client has made the request, and what will server do? Server will respond to that request. Okay, response. So you'll hear a lot of it in DevOps, in web development, request and response. Okay, and there are multiple ways, like in API architecture. We'll dig deeper into it. So this is request and response. That's how server and client works. So server means to which we are requesting. Okay, to which we are requesting as a client. Okay, to which the request has been made, and client is that is making the request. Okay, so right now here Vyoma is the client. Okay, and this Ubuntu is the server. So how would we allow root login to this? It is not secure. It should not be done in public, but I'm just telling you for learning purpose. So go to nano /etc. This file we have to edit, sshd config. Where did it go? Yeah, sshd config, sshd config, and here we are. So there are multiple different configurations that we have. So include etc. So here we can provide all the config files. .conf. Okay, everything is commented. So it is not a best practice to edit in this file. So what we'll do here is, for now, it is the default configuration. Okay, so it is not a good practice to edit in this file. Just keep it default. And what you can do here is allow root login, allow forwarding. No, there is one thing called root login. Root directory name, permit tunnel. SSH can be used for multiple things. There is this thing called SSH tunneling. Then we'll dig deeper into that SSH tunneling, and on our journey we'll learn a lot of what whatever you can do on a server. We'll learn in this journey. Permit empty password authentication. So right now password authentication has been turned yes. Okay. Login as root. Let me just search it. Where is w root? Yeah, permit root login. Prohibited password. Password login is not allowed. Okay, but what we can do here is we'll just copy this. Okay, ssh config.d permit root login .conf. Here we have added hash. Yes, this would solve. Control X. Yes. Enter. Done. So there is another file which has been created there. ls okay, permit root login. Yes. So how would it how would it allow, how would it make changes? To apply any changes, so like in VS Code, if you have used it in VS Code, you might have seen that there is one if you enable if you install any particular plugin, so you have to reload it. So similarly we have to reload it. How would we do that? Systemctl okay, restart ssh t. So we have restarted it. Let's see. Yeah, we are now able to log in as root with same password. Okay, so this is how you can log into root. And one thing that we let's just stop over here. I think what are the different commands that we have covered today? Let's just revisit on that one. So we have learned about ls command, touch command, cp, mv, rm, pwd, cd, mkdir, chmod we haven't done yet, and sudo command we have done, systemctl, start we have seen yesterday, reload we haven't checked, but we have used restart command. Okay, systemctl restart command. Then we have checked different editors. Here it is only shown nano, but we have checked vi and vim as well. Okay, we'll go through all these commands. Okay, So if you are if you want to go ahead, you can just try everything. Apt install, we have tried it yesterday. Apt install, reinstall a broken package. We haven't faced any broken package yet, but we can do that. Then apt search for a package. Snap is for this snap is also a package manager. Snap find for searching different tools, like let's just search Apache. Okay. Snap find, sorry, let's just exit this. Okay, right now we are able to root login, but what if you have to disable this? Okay, how would you do that? Systemctl reload. So what we'll do here is we'll just delete this file, rm. Okay, rm, enter. This file has been deleted. Then just try the reload command, reload sshd service. Let's try to log into root. It is denying. We are back, we are secure again. So that's how it is done. Okay, so you can try it out. UFW is very interesting thing. In fact, let's try it out one thing. So UFW, which is Ubuntu Firewall. It stands for Ubuntu Firewall. UFW-H. So enable, disable. There is status. So we'll just see status. It is inactive. Okay. UFW enable. Command may disrupt existing SSH connection. Okay, let's take the risk. UFW status. Okay, active. But what are the, there is one more thing. Route, reload, reset, status, numbered, verbose. Let's just see. Verbose. There is one command that allows UFW status list. This is not. Bad port. So these are the packages which are being let's just check on internet. We have very limited time, so UFW command to check open ports. How to open a port, how to check open ports. UFW status, UFW. It hasn't broken our SSH connection. Let's just try to log in with Hari user. If we can connect. No, it has blocked. Current connection is still in place, but new connection is blocked. New connection is blocked. UFW, since UFW is enforced, current connection is intact. but new connection is blocked. So that's how UFW works. Let's just get it timed out, or we don't have that much of time. Let's go. Okay, hurry. And then UFW disable. System startup, firewall stopped and disabled on system startup. The system startup is required. And there is this reboot command is also available to reboot a system. VirtualBox is ready now. Let's just see. I think I might have broken the connectivity right now. Let's just see if yeah, it is being started. Break it, make it, try it. That's how you learn. Okay. Started or not? Taking some time. Okay, I think it is started. Let's just check our terminal if you can. Oh, I think my terminal is broken. Oh, close terminal. No worries. Let's just open a new terminal. Okay, it has provided us the prompt. So that's how Ubuntu Firewall has blocked us earlier. So you can use Ubuntu Firewall also. Where did it go? Allow, deny. Ubuntu Firewall is firewall management. Okay, you will require it a lot. SSH user host, SSH command, source. This is for copy files between. SCP is one of the very important command, very useful command. We'll look into it. It is just like CP. It is CP over SSH. Okay, so to transfer a file between two servers on using SSH protocol. So that's how it is. It can be used. You can try it out and then comment whichever whatever you feel right now. And this is how you can use this particular SCP command. This cheat sheet is very good, very comprehensive. It also provides some insights of the command, what it can do. So keep it handy, keep it in this learning journey. Even I got brushed up with multiple commands like this net plan configuration. So this way the current configuration net plan is also there. So keep it handy and just use it. Use it in VirtualBox so that even if it get fails, you can use it. You can create a new virtual machine and then so try out these commands. Check what does it do, because earlier I was using when I was in college and working on my project. So to learn the very project in which we have to create a virtual uh, we have to create a private cloud in a system we have used. So I was using CentOS. I think CentOS 6, yes, CentOS 6 or 7. I can't remember very well. Right now I think CentOS 8 or 9 is in the market. But yeah, current it was CentOS 6 or 7 which we were using as the server, and it was breaking a lot. There are so many commands that I have tried and redoing multiple steps because our virtual machine has crashed and so many things has happened, and that's how I learned Linux. And that's how, so this cheat sheet is very handy. Keep it, just save it on your desktop and try each and every command. I think you would get. Okay, I also have there RHEL we can also use. I can, if possible, I can show you some RHEL specific command. RHEL is very much very interesting OS. Okay, it is mostly like you name hostname ctl ls cpu, this ls touch cp, most of the command would work in rhl as well. Only I would say apt would not work, since there is only there is their own version which is called yum. Snap wouldn't work. Similarly, yum is there. ufw, it it would not be there, but there is this se linux. Okay, se linux in rhl. And add group, del group, add user, delete user, pass wd. Pass wd we have seen. Okay, pass wd we have seen. Lock a user account, unlock a user account. So there are uh, various commands so you can use. lxd, I think cron tab e, cron tab l. Will know what is cron tab, cron job, how to, what are cron jobs, and we'll move ahead. And one advice to everyone: start start learning, start I'll just show you some of the YouTube channels. Start coding. Okay, coding is very much important. Coding is like in DevOps, uh, they would say, why do we need coding? Coding is not required in DevOps. Coding is not required in cloud computing. Okay, coding is not required in system administration. Okay, but what you are actually dealing with is a software, and software, a program. Okay, each and every command that you see over here, okay, in bin file, it is actually a code. Okay, let's just say if I have to, if I have to create my own command. Okay, mm, let's just say hurry. Okay, uh, the final part is this. Oh, sorry. So let's just say nano hurry dot sh. Sh means bash file. What it will do, or I'll just exit and let's just say hurry. Let's just keep it hurry. Okay, hurry. Bin bash. So we'll learn about it. This, why I have given this. So this is actually the to select the executor. Okay, if I have to show echo command is my name, or just welcome to hundred days of Okay, just keep it simple. Okay, here Hari. Okay, I have created this file Hari. What I'll do is sudo su. Sudo su Hari. Okay, I am here. ls Hari. chmod. Chmod is also command. So this to modify the file permission. This it is used to modify, yes, chmod. Execute this particular command is for making the file executable, okay, by its user u plus x. Okay, however, chmod command is to modify file permissions. What permission does a user have on its file? Okay, chmod, oh sorry, chmod plus x, or I'll just say, yeah, plus x Hari. Okay, and what I'll do is cp Hari to user bin, just bin directory. Okay, now I have this bin directory, and what will it do? Hari, welcome to 100 days of DevOps. Whenever I press Hari, welcome to 100 days of DevOps. Every line, everything, every file in this bin directory is a code. Okay, so you need to understand code so that you can create, as a DevOps engineer, I am saying, you need to need the knowledge of coding. Okay, whichever language you select, Python, JavaScript, even a bash, C++, anything you choose. Okay, Java. There are a number of languages like Go, Python, JavaScript, Java. So any of them you choose, you can understand how a how a program interacts with the machine, okay, with the hardware. So that's why you need to learn coding. Okay, I'm not saying that uh, uh, just go very deep, but basics of coding, okay, basics of any syntax, you need to learn. So that's how I have created my custom command here. Okay, if I write something else, it will definitely it will definitely be used, it can definitely be modified. Okay, so that's how that is the power of coding right now. Okay, so just learn coding, because in DevOps, in fact, in system administration also, you can't do everything manually. You can't run the command every time. Okay, there is you need to write a script. Any new user comes in, you need to run a particular set of command, maybe a pipeline, CI/CD pipeline. You have to code the pipeline itself. There is a different language for pipeline. You can use YML, but syntax different for different tools, like GitHub. This GitHub Actions is also a CI. Okay, GitLab CI. GitLab has its own CI. So even if there is the same language is used, YML, Argo CD is there, and then Jenkins use I think Blue Ocean right now. It is similar to JSON file structure. So there are different thing, but you have to start coding mindset, developer mindset. If you have, then only you can move ahead with operations. Okay, how a program interacts with the user, how a program interacts with the OS, how OS interacts with the program, how an OS interacts with the hardware, how software interacts with the hardware, that you will learn only if you have a knowledge of coding. Okay, so that's the tip. As early as you start, you will grow. Okay, we'll understand, we'll check something out in our journey. So that's how it is. So I think, yeah, that's it for today. So thank you all for joining. Thank you all for watching this, and keep supporting. If you feel any, uh, if you want to know anything, if you have any doubt, if you have any feedback, just comment it out. Okay, we'll move. We'll check that out together. If you have any feedback for me, just share it over, and I'll be happy to help you. I'll be happy to work on your feedback. So yeah, that's it for today. Let's see you tomorrow on day 5 of DevOps, and explore something more on Linux. So tomorrow is Saturday. So it is leave for me. I hope we can connect for longer period, and I have some ideas for this journey to show you. So first of all, we'll need to understand about this server, and let's build our network on that. Okay, let's build on that. So uh, we have learned something about Linux, and we'll learn more on our journey. And then moving ahead, I think tomorrow we can start with our basics of networking and coding. So I'll share some of the command for network usage in here. So I think for networking there is, yeah, networking IP header, SS, show, listing, socket, ping command is very, not much command has shown in here for networking. There are a ton of commands like nmap, netcat, netstat, so we can learn on that. Okay, so thank you all, have a nice day, bye.